Using guided systems will improve the way you treat your patients and increase the success rate and reduce the errors. Hi, my name is Dr. Omar Hamid. I'm from Vienna, Austria. I do oral surgery, implantology, and aesthetics. I have 2 clinics in Vienna and 1 in Dubai.
What do you think about Dental World? Do you enjoy the event and its atmosphere?
Dental World is amazing. I have a good time here. Enjoyed the gala dinner, enjoyed the speakers dinner and the congress and the conferences. People from all over the world, my colleagues from Los Angeles that I studied with are here. It's an amazing event.
How has digital technology reshaped the diagnostic and surgical planning phase in implantology?
So the way it has shaped in digital implantology, which was my topic, is that we have more access to more accurate treatment options now. We are more precise in what we do, and we can reduce the error, which ultimately benefits the patient.
What are the key challenges clinicians face when transitioning from conventional to fully digital implant workflows?
So the key challenges for clinicians that want to go digital are mostly the lack of training. There's not many teaching centers or universities that are really focused on teaching guided surgery. So there's a huge lack of training in that regard.
How do digital implant workflows improve long-term functional and aesthetic outcomes for patients?
By being able to create the design of the future restorations in advance, we can really help the patients in functions and aesthetics to achieve a long-lasting and precise result.
What is the take-home message of your lecture?
So my take-home message for the lecture was that using guided systems will improve the way you treat your patients and increase the success rate and reduce the errors. Dental World is a huge event, very well organized and amazing, and it brings a lot of people from all over the world together. And I'm looking forward to see you in 2026 in Budapest.